An object of mass 50 kg moves at 10 meters per second round a circular path of radius 20 meters. Calculate number I, the centripetal acceleration. II, the centripetal force. This is a question from circular motion. In a circular motion, it is all about an object going round, not in a straight path or not in a linear path. And this circular motion calculation is different from a linear motion calculation or straight line motion calculation. So, and in a circular motion, we have two forces acting on that. Two forces acting on that. One of the forces is centripetal force. This centripetal force is the force that is responsible to keep the object moving in a circular way inwardly. If you are turning an object around like this centripetal force keeps it round, a kind of protecting it not to move out like this, but it will keep it, trying to push it in, keep it in a circular way to push it in. It's a force directing this motion inward. That is centripetal force. But according to the Newton's third law, Newton's third law said that for every action, there will be equal and opposite reaction from the third law of Newton. So therefore, if there is force holding this motion moving around inward, there will be equal and opposite force that will be trying to push it outside. As it will try to push it outside, this one will try to push it in, and the force is equal, therefore they will balance. As they have balanced, then it will now keep this motion in a circular way, steadily, uniformly. So these forces is the one that keeping them moving uniformly. So this force that is equal and opposite to the centripetal force is called centrifugal force. So it is this force that is opposite to centripetal. This centrifugal force is opposite to centripetal, thereby keeping the motion uniformly moving in a circular motion. Now the question say we should calculate the centripetal acceleration. So you know, as it is moving around, it has acceleration, okay? And this acceleration of circular motion is different from acceleration of linear motion. So the formula for the acceleration of this circular motion is the acceleration of this circular motion now. The formula is A, which is the centripetal acceleration, is equals to V square all over R. This A stands for centripetal acceleration, while the V stands for the velocity of the movement in the the velocity of the movement, while R is the radius of the circle. radius of the circle, which has been given from the question. Okay, so now the answer now will be, they say that an object of mass 50 kg moves at 10 meter per second. So the v here is 10 raised to power 2 all over r, which is the radius of the circle in motion, which is a 20 meter. Now this is 10 times 10 100 over 20. So the final answer is 0 cancels 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5 meter per second square. This is the acceleration, the value of the acceleration they are asking us all about. Now let us calculate for the centripetal force. Now the formula of force is F equals to ma. That's the formula of force, right? M is representing the mass of the object, while A is representing an acceleration. It may be acceleration due to gravity or any acceleration they are referring to. Like in this question, they are referring to acceleration of the circular motion. Now they have given us the mass, which is 50. Then our acceleration, remember the formula, v square all over r. Now they have given us the value of mass to be 50 times v, which is 10 already, square all over r, which is 20. Okay, now have 50 times 100 when you work on this all over 20, which is 50 times 100, which is 5,000 over 20, right? 0 cancels 0, then 500 divided by 2 to now be 250. Unit of force is Newton. So this is the answer. Okay, the value of the centripetal force they're asking us about. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I beg you, subscribe to my channel, hit your notification button to receive my tutorial whenever it comes. Thank you for watching.